Hi, I'm Claire. I want to share how to install Ghost on Mac locally, and because I have some issue, so I want to share. I also want to share the issue. So if the people who watch the video have the same issue, it will be easier for you to install. And the first thing is, you can just Google it and use the just type Ghost Mac installation, and the first one it's the instruction, the officially instruction. And the first thing is you need to check your Node.js. Hope if you already if you already installed Node.js before, check your version. If you are not sure you installed Node.js before or not, just go to the terminal and type node, just type node and dash v and enter, and it will return the version if you install before. If not, you need to install the Node.js first. And as you can see here, the supported Node.js say the recommended is greater or equal to 6.9 or less than 7. And actually, the instruction here kind of confused me at the beginning, because if you click this link, it will give you the latest version of Node.js, which is like a something. But you can see the recommended is a 6.9, or over than 6.9 or less than 7. The mistake I made is I clicked the link, so I installed the version over 8, so it doesn't work. So when I return it, I just realized that you have to install the correct version of Node.js. And speak about the Node.js, let me try to find the English version here. Okay, just go to the downloads here and scroll down to the button and find previous release here, and then you can find the Node.js. You just need to find the Node.js 6 point something, and I use the Node.js 6.14.3. And when you click the downloads and download this one, node-v6.14.3.pkg, I mean download the package one. And after you download it, I already download here. And when you download here, it's very easy to install the Node.js. You don't have to through the terminal to install. And wait, let me see. Oh, I'm sorry, it's this one. When you click this one, this is the Node.js, and just press next, and if you, and another thing I want to mention is that if you already install latest version, like the version 8 something already, and you are thinking about uninstall the latest version or downgrade the Node.js version, don't worry about that, because if you install an old version Node.js, it will cover the latest one. The good thing is the new one and the old one, they are not wait, how do you say that, like competitive to each other. So if you install the old version, it will just cover the new version, so you don't have to worry about downgrades or uninstall. And after you finish that, you can check your version, and you can see just the 6th version. Another thing is, and the next step is just click this one, download the latest boosted version. I watch a video on YouTube. Some guy I don't know, like they go to this one, right? They go to this one. Oh, I have no idea why it's all Chinese. Can I put it in? Okay, whatever. The same thing. Like there's another version called, I don't know, it doesn't work for me. Maybe it works for you, but it doesn't work for me. So just download, just click this one, download the as you can see, it's a Ghost dash 0.11.12, or maybe when you watch this video, maybe they release a new one, and just download this one. And when you download this one, and go to the Finder to unzip the file. Okay, here. Just unzip the file here. Okay, let me delete this one. Just unzip the file, and the next step is I still keep my Spring. I don't want to clear it because there are other error issue I want to share. So the thing is change to change. Just type change and drag this to here, and it will give you the path of the folder, and change to this folder. And when you press enter, actually they just give you this, it means like they already changed to this file. And the next step is use the install command. Here in the instruction, the official instruction, it says, you just copy this, and don't forget use the sudo. Sudo means like use the admin. You have the admin access and to run this command, and all the steps, don't forget to use the sudo. And when you use sudo and press the command line, it will get, and also type your password. The password is the access to your computer, and it will, this means like nothing wrong, everything's fine. But as you can see here, I follow the instruction and I type the npm start, like here it says npm start, right? But the thing is, there's an issue here. As you can see here, actually the error is cannot find a module. They cannot find this module, and good thing is the error message already give you the command line here. So you just need to copy the command line, and I'm trying to find just copy the command line, and don't forget use sudo and copy the command line. So it will start to install the Spillage 3 module. Let me see here. Okay, it's not here. Okay, it's here. I type here, and just use the sudo, and also just copy the command line here, and type your password, and it will work fine. I'm pretty sure it works fine. It will download the module for you automatically. And when you finish this step, and when you try the sudo npm start, you can see everything is very good here. Everything's good here. And now you can see it give you the local URL, and you just need to copy this and paste to your browser. See, it works. Hope my video can help you fix your problem if you have the same issue like me.